Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this?
Welcome to this continuing series from Morgan Rees.
Today we're at the CHABOT Science and Space Facility. It's part of the NASA Ames group.
The CHABOT Space and Science Center, located in Oakland, California, is a center for learning in Earth and space science, which features interactive exhibits, planetarium, a large screen theater, hands-on activities, and 3 powerful telescopes.
Currently, there's a disproportion of males working in the fields of hard science and mathematics. Traditionally, to address this issue, have been at the university level. By then, it's too late. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, is an umbrella term that's used to group together distinct but related technical disciplines. A study by the Girl Scouts found that a majority of teenage girls are interested in STEM, but very few consider it a top career choice. So engaging in girls early on with science and mathematics is a good place to start to shift the field of gender balance. We need to design outreach programs that target girls in the middle school level so they can set their academic tracks toward the hard science and mathematics. CHABOT Space and Science Center's mission is to immerse younger people in the discovery of the universe and planet Earth, experiences beyond their imagination. All of this is part of a partnership between the center and NASA Ames.
There are different venues with activities for a range of ages, from the very young to a little older, with a simulated control room. There's a sock skating attraction that allows visitors to slide around on a tile floor like ice. Our deck offers breathtaking views 1,500 feet above the bay.
There's 3 telescopes out here. 2 are for the daytime, and the one way back there, Nellie, is for nighttime only.
8-inch refractor named Leah is the original 1883 instrument donated by founder Anthony CHABOT. We viewed Jupiter through the Leah, an 8-inch refractor from the late 1800s, in the middle of the day, which was kind of neat. The impressive 20-inch telescope named Rochelle is the largest refractor in the western United States, regularly open to the public. The public is invited to enjoy meteor showers from the CHABOT Observatory deck with staff astronomers available to answer questions. Meteorite discovery, 1938. Type iron. Composition, nickel and iron. Found by 3 hunters. Weight, 2,645 pounds. Nellie, CHABOT's most powerful telescope, is a 36-inch reflector telescope housed in a rolling roof observation that allows access to 180 degrees of sky.
Sunset views of the domes holding the telescopes Leah and Rachel. Not to complain, I can't believe these poor volunteers. They tell everybody, don't touch the eyepiece. And guess what half the people do? They touch the eyepiece.
CHABOT was donated a decommissioned Series 3 Astra Rocket. Welcome to the gift shop at CHABOT Space and Science Center. Toys, books.
I hope you enjoyed our CHABOT Space and Science walkthrough. If you liked it, click like. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. This is Morgan Rees. See you on the internet.
If you'd like to learn more, log on to www.morganrees.com. That's morganrees.com. Thanks for listening.